Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how a patient can upload their medical history in NiftyHMS while they are booking an appointment through NiftyHMS. This is a fifth or sixth video that we have covering as part of FAQ series on NiftyHMS. So do subscribe to our channel to see the whole series of commonly asked questions if you are a user of NiftyHMS. So, when patient, so you might have, as a doctor, you have already, created a QR code, you have created a link using which the patient can book an appointment, and you have published this link on your website, on your social media channels, or you have also published as a QR code and, printed it and, posted it on your desk or on your glass door. So using that, when patient tries to book an appointment, they will get some, medical history to upload in the system. So let's have a look at how it can be done in NiftyHMS. So, when patient goes to your appointment booking link on the browser, they will see your name, the charges, and the available time slot on the calendar. Let's select a 10:20 a.m. Time slot for now. Once patient adds their mobile number in NiftyHMS, if it is new number, it will ask them to add their patient name in. If it is existing number, it will select and automatically fetch the patient details. That's what done right now. Now the appointment is confirmed with Dr. Nirav Gandhi, and the patient can now see the assessment form link. So they will click here or link. And then we have already got the details of the patient. We can just now add some complaints for which the patient wants to see the doctor. They can add their medical history, like the current medication they are taking, or if there are any prescription that has been prescribed previously, or if they have done any medical reports like blood reports or urine reports or x-rays, they can upload here. There are multiple files they can upload here. They can also describe the treatments that they have undergone recently. So maybe they have done some operation, some surgery. They can always add it over here. There are plus icons, so you can add multiple treatments that you have done in past. You can add it over here as a patient. This is a comprehensive medical history capture form. So patient can add all the details that they have done in past for the medical purposes. They can add over here. They can add the nutrition data as well. If they are following special diet, they can also mention it. So that's how you add the whole patient medical history in the system. So for doctors, if the patient has added a medical history, it saves a lot of time when the patient comes in the clinic. You have to ask a lot of medical history questions. This is using this pre-screening form. Doctor can see more patients because now we are saving time with the pre-screening form. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.